Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. I am AIpreneur with Carly, and this is my channel, and thank you for joining. Thank you for watching me right now. I am here today sharing my screen right? And I really want to show you how I'm doing, how my channel is doing, how you have participated in my channel, how you helping me grow my channel, and how my channel is very important with you, and how you watching my content. And I've loaded about 10 content so far since the day I built it, and I just want to walk you through. I think you deserve it. You deserve to see how I'm doing because you're participating. You have about 1,000, over 1,200 subscribers, and you're watching my channel. I really want to see you, show you how I'm doing. So let's get started right there. All right, so this is me. That's me. You see me. Purely, simply me, no filter. My background. I'm home. I'm in my office recording. So right on. Let's go through it. Right, my channel. Let's see. When did I create my channel? Right. So when did I create my channel? And let's kind of see when did I load my first content. Right. So I loaded my first content on the 21st of December. But look, right, it's going up, right? So the 21st of December, and truly that's when I created my channel. I created my channel on the 21st, and I think at night I started start loading content right away, right? Just if you kind of look at this, I stay on the green screen, just talking to you who I am, and purely me, no artificial intelligence or anything, just me. And but look at it, right? Look at my dashboard. Isn't this amazing, right? In 3 weeks, I picked up. I'm loading fresh content to you myself. And look at my, I've achieved 1,000 hours on my channel. This is incredible. All right, so you should kind of follow this organic growth. And really, I didn't do anything that I mean, I just loading content about myself, right? Excuse me, in this kind of video. But look at me, right? So in this one video, I'm just really going at it, right? Just showing you what I'm doing. And if you kind of look at the analytics on this video, it's pure. It's kind of like a pure analytic, just me talking to you, right?
So I'm back.
I'm back talking to you, right? So there's nothing really I will say. But see here, I'm valuing my Tesla, right? So to you, and purely upload, loading, nothing, descriptions, just basic stuff. Not trying to influence or anyone. Just creating my content, and I'm going on there right now so I can kind of show you. I'm valuing Tesla and so on. Right? So see, right there, content with.
So I'm in a Tesla today. Hello YouTube. I'm in a Tesla today. Hello YouTube. Welcome to my channel. So I'm trying the.
Yeah. See, purely naturally, nothing. And here I'm unveiling the Facebook. So in my channel, I want to get to the analytics and things later, but I just want to show you how far I have gotten, right, from when I started to now, and very natural, right? I mean, no automations, no nothing. I turn my camera on, I show you my screen, I just show you what I'm doing, right? Purely no copyright content on my channel. Nothing. I'm gonna get to all of this one by one in the next few minutes up. But look at here, right? So, and on the end, it looks like I'm ready to apply, right? So I have hit. I'll get to the analysis where I have hit more than 3,000 hours, 3,000 watch hour. And I wanted to get to 4,000, right? So naturally will come. So, and if you look at some of the analytics right away from this, it's looking really nice, right? So 29,200 view already, and see when I created my channel on the 21st, that's where everything started, and so on and so on. So I think this organic growth that I'm going through, it's helping myself, not pushing me too much and allowing me to rethink about why I created this channel at the first time, and why I'm recording this content, why I'm sitting here recording with light on and camera on. So very good stuff. Yeah. So if you look at my my views, they're going up and down. You see, right away when I upload it, well, on the second I got 2 views, and it start picking it up, right? And if you kind of look at my watch time as well, my watch time has been up there, right? So very cool kind of like behavior happening, which I kind of like. But see, look at today, it's picking up again. Yesterday, it's picking up 118, right? So this natural organic build, and if you kind of look at subscription too, right? So it went up and it will pick up again sometime, right? But if you look at it, everything is look at it, right? It's going good. So this is my short video. Let me play it for you. I don't know if I can play, but I'm gonna show you. But look at the short video about on Tesla. The volume is a little bit. Yeah. So see, that's a Tesla. I revealed the Tesla video, right? So it picks up right naturally, organically. See, look. Right, it went up right away 150% and then come down significantly, and that's a short video, right? 52.8 percentage. So, and if you kind of look at the engagement, the outreach of that short video, um, perfect, right? So channel is doing very good. Channel is doing very good, and if you kind of look at it, everything is this video, for instance, that I post that has 20,000 views. Look at it, right? Natural growth. Look, very natural growth, right? And this is my path to monetizations. And if you look at all the content that I have uploaded, I uploaded all content, right? And all content has me in there talking naturally, no artificial voice, nothing truly that I have inserted, even a thumbnail, purely me. There's nothing to really fight for. And really, this is the kind of like a roadmap working to monetize your channel, right? So you can choose. You can choose what is your priority, right? My priority here is first to be natural and be me and upload the content that I work in, right? So let's look at a comment. It has great comment, right? People comment very well on the videos. Analytics. So these things are truly natural, right? Copyright. There's no copyright issue, right? There's no copyright issue. Everything is natural. If you go to earn, well, look, right? I've done very well, right? So it looks like YouTube wanted me to apply now, right? To monetize, but I'm also waiting because I'm building my channel naturally. I don't really want to jump right away and apply because I really want to hit the 4K watch and beyond, right? So if I apply right now, there's nothing wrong with it. I can go ahead and apply for it. But then again, I really want to wait. And I'll do another video of you when I reach this. I think I'm not really far away. With this video that I'm building, content that I'm creating, it's going to pick up another 30,000, 300 views, even more, 1,000 view, 300 hours watch, and I'm going to get there. That's the kind of like natural ways to kind of build the content. And it's great. This is me, guys. That's my future. That's me. That's my logo, and this is my channel, right? And purely about me. But remember, let's go back to the basis of why I created this channel. I created this channel to kind of show you the different way that we can continuously building content and create and earning money, right, on the web. And so far, if you see what I have done, it's just to be naturally me on my content, right? And I show you Tesla, I show you ribbon, and all those things that I show you. You can make money with it. I have people running Uber with Tesla. I have people recording their live videos today with Meta. So this is not an advertising video, but again, I really want to show you what I am. I think today is the 5th, right? From the 21st when I open the channel and start loading 10 content, 11 today by the end of the day, load that. I think I'm doing very well. I think I'm doing very well. I'm pounding in it. So I kind of upload video every other day and making real content to you like this. I think I'm going to get there by the end of, next week. I should be at the 4,000 watch. So my channel is doing very good. I won't complain. Not gonna repeat myself, but if you kind of look at it organically, I think is doing what I intended to do. My achievement, kind of look at it, right? Perfectly, nicely done. See on the 21st to the 24th. Look at how many video I uploaded there, and look at the growth trajectory. Look at it, right? Look at it and you kind of see a traffic source. Very natural analytics, right? Natural numbers analytics, percentage, right? It's okay, going up significantly, and that's what I expect, right? Geography, kind of see where people are watching me from. Look at it, right? Ooh, my first in Russia, United States, right? Third on the list. Bangladesh, Pakistan, Belarus. So everywhere, guys. I love this. Look at where everybody is watching me from, right? Look at it, right? So I think the organic dynamics, I'm loving it, right? I'm loving it. Right? You gotta like this, right? So the top cities where you watching me from, right? Woohoo, Moscow, Russia, right? Paris, France, right? U.S., right? U.S., Virginia, U.S., Pakistan. A lot of people in Chicago too watching me. Right? Pure, I'm loving this, right? So, and that's really what I really want to experience on this, right? So, see viewer age. Let me see how many. Look, the viewer age is perfect, right? So 35 years to 44 years are watching me because that's the natural we want to see ourselves, right? Excuse me. And I'm still picking some young 18 to 24 years old and 65 plus years old are watching me as well. I love the dynamics here. This is something that you must watch. I must probably take a screenshot of this, and this kind of become my thumbnail or something like that. I love it, right? So it's I see the age, a lot of males, yeah, of course, and really I want my sisters as well watching me. But anyway, if you look at the date, yeah, like I told you, the 21st, I started uploading my video. 22nd, views start coming, bam, 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 right? Watch time start picking up right away, and it's not an analytic that dictated through it. I created my channel on the 21st, start loading content. I think where I did a nice job is to load content, right? And subscription level, look, right? We have about people who are subscribed viewing me and people who are subscribed. I want more people to subscribe. So hit the subscribe button and also like the video, right? And see everything is kind of pure, right? People are watching from YouTube, YouTube short, so nothing really fishy about it. And I really want to grow up organically. I think that's the goal, right? And I'll get there. Right? So the analytics looks perfect. Reviewing this with you, I think it makes me happy because and let's see what people are using to watch my channel. uh, Computers, right? People really, I think you really want to watch me from computer standpoint, right? Mobile also pick up, right? My viewer, I have about 38% of my viewers are watching me from mobile, and computer 57% because people at work probably hitting me. Tablet, TV, oh my god, people are watching me from TV. It's amazing, right? It's amazing, right? So, and then we can go more, but I want to kind of head back to this screen and really kind of thank you for really watching my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't been there. I have really nice thing planned for this channel, so I really look forward to continuously recording for you. But if you if you have any comment, please comment below. And this is my journey, right? It's happening. It's happening right there. Created my channel on the 21st, and here, the 21st of December 2023, right? And we are in 2024 now, and that's who I am. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again, and I'll see you again.